The HPC Center started in June 2015. We basically provide research services, research support services to the university.
Center of Excellence for Climate Change Research has been established in 2010 in King Abdulaziz University, and this center is mainly focused on modeling and simulations of weather and climate models. We started small on some simulations that take 192 hours.
According to the statistics, Saudi has the largest number of active users and accounts on Twitter. Such massive tweets need specific space and power and time to be managed.
We work in computational chemistry, which is mainly works with the simulation of organic compounds and biological compounds, material science, and so on.
We are simply doing the sequencing studies and the microarray studies and whole studies based on the genomics.
Basically, we're studying materials at the atomic level, so we can understand the properties of these materials, so we can apply it in real-life application.
We are targeting large sparse linear equation systems that ultimately requires fast computing and fast interconnects to efficiently exploit the available resources and to achieve a large-scale parallelism.
So initially, I started this project with the name SPedia on my personal laptop. But honestly speaking, that since the data was and the calculations was so heavy that after the processing of maybe 3 to 4 hours, the system crashed.
So the research that we do is just impossible to be done on a PC or a workstation. It actually requires huge computing resources.
Because once we are talking about the simulation of the studies, the prediction of the proteins, then you will come to know that they need the processing capacity in petabyte, petaflow, something like that.
Our strategy is to combine big data, HPC, AI, and emerging technologies together to develop smart infrastructure, computing infrastructure for the country. We also look at fundamental scientific and technological problems such as linear algebra, graph computations, and others.
I've immediately submitted a proposal at Aziz, and Aziz helped me. You won't imagine how much it helped me in my research field.
We have implemented the first hybrid OpenMP MPI tools on Aziz, enabling the likelihood ratio computation to scale to virtually any number of contributors. It is the first in the world.
With the introduction of Aziz, now we are able to do simulations, and those simulations that have been done on long period, now we have been doing it in just only 5 minutes.
Aziz is a multidisciplinary tool that enables many faculties in the university to undertake research that was not feasible before.
So that helps me when you work on such a powerful machine like supercomputing. That will save times, and you can do as many as you want simulations, and you will get the result almost instantly.
The result was very fantastic, and it saved my time a lot. The results that I was extracting before within the 2, 3, 4 weeks, now it was within the days.
I was able to analyze millions of tweets in seconds and performing graph computations on top of massive road networks by using around 2,400 CPU cores.
Yes, supercomputer Aziz has helped our research by saving us time and money.
Aziz is actually the best platform, available platform currently to manage such big data, from analyzing, storing, and retrieving as well.
And every month there is simulations of El Nino circulation with all the international models, and one of the remarkable model in this for us as a proud of the Aziz supercomputer is really the Saudi KIU.
Aziz actually is the lifeblood of our work. Without Aziz, it was very hard for us to go beyond elementary research, especially in fluid mechanics and fluid dynamics.
So we are aiming to accelerate innovation in Saudi Arabia by developing collaborations with industry, government and academic institutions. So Fujitsu has been our key partner since the inception of the project, this center. We have developed the first SAP KU Next-Gen Hub in the MENA region. And several other collaborations with organizations are underway.
So we hope that the university will continue to invest in the Aziz and the Supercomputer Center.